Okay, got it. Need to find the right one. Hopefully I won't lose anything. Put the new one down. And there. I bought this cute little phone holder. Magnetic. Really easy to use. But I can't use it now because it's only for the events. But it's really cool with Alfa Romeo on it. Okay, let's find number 10. Where is it? There's number 10. 11. Obviously they're not in the correct order, so I'm gonna... Ah, there it is. Got it. But where is the other bit? Maybe it's one of these. No, that's not it. It's a different one. I wonder if it's one of these. No. Ah, got it. I got it. Perfect. I am a nail tech, really. That's my real job. So, not working today. So I wanted to cut that out. Do something for her today, for my Alfie. Right, let's see. Is it gonna come off easy? Yay! Huh, perfect. And now we are really hoping that the new one is gonna fit nicely. It looks the same. Okay. How do I... Is it supposed to go? Right. This is fun, if it works. Okay. Oh my goodness, if this is that easy, I hope everything is this easy. Okay. Now which one did I use? My goodness, this is so fun. Probably shouldn't over tighten it, right? That was advice my brother gave me, don't over tighten things. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. If only I knew that was going to be that easy, I would have done it a few weeks ago. How nice is that? So nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, so happy.